with due respect, and contradicting po yung mga accounts ng ilang mga opisyalis po natin, no, na they are mga utak adik, mga bayaran, mga geng-geng, no. May genuine political movements right now happening ng kabataan na naging present po sa Luneta, naging present sa EDSA, at naiintindihan ang galit ng lahat ng mga kabataan sa korupsyon. Very clear po, no, despite the assertions of the agency na hindi po tugma yung mga accounts from the ground, accounts from our students who were there, at gusto nating ma-highlight, no, kung ano po ang katotohanan. Eric Saber, as interpolated by Representative Tino, example po siya. Examples din po ang accounts ni Gio and ni Wovi. The guns brandished by the police in the face of protesters and bystanders, they are examples of this. Footage of gas, LRADs, violent arrests, proof of these po. Bakit po pilit na hindi po maibigay sa atin yung mga yung answers dito sa ating questions? We'd like to highlight po, no, that lahat po ng mga na-experience ng ating mga protesters na karahasan, no, valid po sila. No? Even Renato Reyes po, the president of Bagong Alyansang Makabayan or Bayan, faced this kind of violence. No? Ang nangyari po sa kanya, siya ay po lead protesters on the protest action from Luneta to Menjola. He was hit in the face with a rock thrown to him. Pero Mr. Speaker, Mr. Sponsor, even though his wound bled profusely, he was not angry because, and I quote, "I may not agree with their tactics, but I understand their anger." Mr. Speaker, Mr. Sponsor, distinguished colleagues, ano man ang itawag natin to, protest, riot, umabot sa ganoong punto ang galit ng mamamayan dahil sawa na sila sa naranasan nilang di makatarungang sistema sa araw-araw. Daan-daan ang pinag-aaresto ng kapulisan noong araw na yon. May mga marahas na dinampot, may nabugbog, may kinulong, may mga sibilyan pang namatay dahil sa pamamaril. May sibilyan din pong namamatay, kabataan, dahil po sa pagsaksak. We'd like to ask po, no, where is this energy from the police when it comes to corrupt officials? The youth is mobilizing and is now on the march. Libu-libong estudyante ang nagpapakita ng galit. We cannot simply reduce their initiatives and political consciousness with due respect, and contradicting po yung mga accounts ng ilang mga opisyalis po natin, no, na they are mga utak adik, mga bayaran, mga geng-geng, no. May genuine political movements right now happening, mirroring those in other countries, mirroring even that of the first quarter storm movement. No, we would like, no, to further support the efforts of Gen Z, of youth, yes, to be able to fight for genuine change at tuloy-tuloy po na hindi masalubong ito ng karahasan sa ating mga kapulisan.